how many how many ants would it take to lift an elephant? Oh, that is really good question. Actually, let me tell you one thing. Ant uh, can lift almost like a three times of her weight. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. Let's just do calculate. Okay. Let's just do calculate key how is exactly is this thing work out. I do know a little bit of things, but I'm gonna kind of like predict that how much ants do I required to lift the entire weight of elephant. So I'm just Google it. Key average AV average weight of ant. Okay, so average weight of ant is almost like 1 to 5 milligram. So probably I would choose 2.5 milligram. Okay, so 2.5 milligram. So if the 2.5 milligram of ant can lift three times of weight, so that means 4.5 milligram. Okay, so basically each ant can carry 4.5 milligram, so probably I will guess 5 milligram. Okay, so each ant can lift up 5 milligram. And what is exactly the weight of elephant? Weight of average weight of ELEPH. Average weight of elephant in kg is a 5,400 and almost like a 5,500 kilogram. Okay, so 5,500 kilogram is a kind of like a something very technical. I just have to do little bit of calculation. Okay, so if the weight of the elephant is a 5,500 kilogram, so if how much like basically how much how much ant? Okay, wait, I'm actually calculating. Okay, let me calculate first. Okay, so wait, first of all, where is calculator? Okay, so area, I'm gonna time is a weight mass. Weight mass is kind of like something really same. Probably let's go mass. Okay, so I have almost like a 5,500 kilogram. I wanted to convert into milligram. Okay, milligram, so it will take 5.5 e to the power 9. That means basically is this thing ki, yeah, it's too much. Okay, so 5 into 5 e to the power 9, 5 into 5 into 5 e to the power 9 का मतलब क्या होता है कि e to the power means like a 0 0 0 0, यानी how many zero is this thing. So 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 5 9 times 0. Okay, 5.5 9 times 0. So if I divide it, wait, let me calculate. 5.5 and 9 times 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 9 times 0 divided by 5, so it would take 1.1. Well, I don't really understand this. Like, first of all, now this uh, 1 kilogram means like uh, 1 lakh. Okay, 1 million kilo, 1 million milligram. 1 million milligram equals to 1 kilogram. So um, so if I have 5,000 500. 550 milligram. 16789. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Now I understand. Little bit understand. Okay. So five and 9 times 0. Okay. So wait. Five. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's a 10 हो गया. Okay. Just to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. So divided by 5, so that means 1.1, that means 1 e to the power 10. That means how many ant do I need is that key. At least if I wanted to carry a elephant by ants, I need at least one 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 wait. It's a there is a too many long number. Okay, so the number is wait, 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yeah. So एकक दशशतक हजार दशहजार लक्ष दशलक्ष कोटी दशकोटी अब्ज दशअब्ज. It's been almost like I need at least 11 billion ants to lift one elephant. 11 billion ants. It's an average number. 11 billion ants. 11 billion is too much, na? Wait. एकक दशशतक हजार दशहजार लक्ष दशलक्ष कोटी दशकोटी अब्ज दशअब्ज. Yeah, it's 11 billion. Yeah, 11 billion is too many ants, dude. Yeah, 11 billion ants. That is like, is it the your calculation is good or not? Like, what exactly MI did is that yeah, the average weight of ant is 2.5 milligram. Okay, uh, 2.5 milligram, and basically each ant can carry 3 times of weight. So probably almost like a 4.5, I randomly correct as a 5 milligram. So each ant can carry 5 milligram. Okay. So the weight of the elephant is 5,500 kilogram. So if I convert 5,500 kilogram into milligram, so it will take almost like a um, it will take almost like a 55 millions, 55 millions, or maybe billions. Probably I'm not really sure about the number, but 55 billions of milligram divided by 5 milligram. Because of that, so it will take almost like a 11 e to the power 10. 11 e to the power 10. So that means like a 11 billion ant. I need at least 11 billion ant to lift the weight. Is it too much? 11 billion is a too much number. Okay, wait, let me ask this question to the chat GPT. It will the idea of ant lifting an elephant is often used to a metaphor illustrating the concept of the collaborative strength of the teamwork and communication the information. However, the reality, it would be impossible to ant the lift the elephant due to the vast difference between the size and strength. If we consider the combination of the strength and the millions of over billions of ant, yeah, billions of ant, it will take would be enough to lift the elephant. If the weight of the mass of the elephant is exceeded the combined lifting the capacity of the ants, and the said that the ants can incredibly strong and relative to the third size of the weight. Yeah, I already mentioned some of the species are ants can carry the object many times their own body weight. However, even the strongest and would be stand chance to against the elephant. Yeah, so probably my guess is really right. Okay, I need at least 11 billion ants to lift the one elephant? Yeah, 11 billion ants. Yeah, I did calculate. Yeah, I did calculate. If you wanted to just understand what exactly the weight of the, okay, so weight of the elephant, the average weight of the elephant is a 5,500 kilogram. Okay, the average weight of ant is a 5.5 milligram. Sorry, um, 2.5 milligram. Average weight of ant is a 2.5 milligram. So 2.5 milligram of ant can carry at least three times of our weight. So 1.5 milligram, sorry, 2.5 milligram into 3, sorry, it's a like each ant can carry at least 5 milligram of weight. Okay, so if I just convert 5,500 kilogram into milligram, so it will take almost like a 55 millions of milligram. Okay, divided by a 5 milligram, so it will take almost like a billion 11 billion, like 11 billion ants to carry 5,500 kilogram of weight. So yeah, I did calculation. It will take almost like a billions. Yeah, so it is really good. Yeah, the calculation is bit really simple. You just have to do it. It's very simple. Yeah, it will take almost like a, yeah, it's not really that much kind of like a very crazy thing. Okay, uh, 11 billion ants do I required to weight the elephant, to lift the elephant. Yeah. Next question.